What's up guys, Justin here of Gigatech, and the Redmi 9A is one of the cheapest Xiaomi smartphones that you can get your hands on today. It packs the latest MediaTek G25 chip, and we're really curious about this one because it claims to have a lag-free experience. But besides that, it also offers a lot of features, so let's unbox this thing already. So we have here the familiar white Redmi box, and opening it up reveals the phone immediately. Let's set that aside first. Underneath that is the usual smaller box with the manuals and SIM ejector tool. And then we have its power adapter and micro USB cable, so that's pretty much everything. Now the unit we have is in the graphite gray color, which definitely looks simple and classy. If you want more trendy colors, then you can also opt for their peacock green or sky blue variants. The back is made out of plastic, and it's designed with a single rear camera stacked vertically together with a LED flash and some branding. There's no fingerprint scanner in sight and even on the side nor display, so it purely relies on facial recognition and passcode for unlocking. On the right, you'll find the volume rocker and power button, while on the left is its SIM tray for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card that's expandable up to 512 gigabytes. You get the headphone jack on top, while at the bottom are its main microphone, micro USB port, and loudspeaker. Talk about display. The 9A has a 6.53-inch HD+ dot-drop IPS LCD screen with a 20:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 269 pixels per inch. The front camera is placed on its dewdrop notch with a call speaker on top of it. Now powering this entry-level smartphone is the latest MediaTek Helio G25 chip with a PowerVR A320 GPU, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, a 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support, and MIUI 12 that's based on Android 10 for software. As for cameras, at the back is a single 13-megapixel lens, while on that notch sits a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. We'll talk more about its camera quality in our full review, but for now, check out these sample photos that we got. Alright, the Redmi 9A is now available locally via Xiaomi's flagship store on Lazada and global store on Shopee for 4,590 pesos. It's got some interesting specs for its price, and we'll go more in-depth in our full review soon, so stay tuned. And how about you? What do you think about the Xiaomi Redmi 9A? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit gigatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.